2025. It almost sounds like the first year of the future. A year way off in the distance when robots reign supreme. 2025, a year so many, many decades away. Will it ever really arrive? But here we are. It's 2025, and 51 years on from our first journey to these North Woods, we're back. It has snowed 9 inches and another 4 while we've been here, and for at least the time being, winter is still possible. This is the story of the class of 2030, a band of avid futurists and man's unbreakable bond with nature.
Long before time had a name, SPA 7th grade students came to Camp Widjiwagan.
This is a story about you, not me.
Welcome to Widji! Welcome to Widji! What's up, Widjimasters?
Oh yes. My name is Henry. I'm the director here.
Welcome to Widji! Yeah!
Okay, I got this calm on this Bugatti. I'm strong in this Bugatti. 2 V8 ain't no such thing as driving calm in this Bugatti. I'm bad, I'm worse, I pass. But don't with me, cause right now I'm higher than Cap. Then Kirk, I swear I be the sickest you can ask. The nurse, and if you throw it in a bag, I bet I snatch her purse. Okay, I spaz, I curse, you last. I'm first, I'm on your like dirt behind that cash. Get murk, I'm talking big. Join my hit, this what's the matter? Check your bladder, I'm the shoot the witness. A whole court in the streets and convict this old man. I'm running with the blocker, young money. You think we gon' do a thing where ain't it sunny in the summer and we coming for the comers? Then whoever among us, and you know I'ma bust my until my crew very humongous. I say T.I. hold your head, and Mac hold your head. Wish I could, but I can't say some other names cause of the feds until my blood's cold red. Man, you know how we play it, and if it costs to be the boss, oh well, I guess I gotta pay. I'm a New Orleans, I don't take no take the brain off the whip, now it don't make no sense. Stunt hard on these things, promise tomorrow. Now women kicking it with me like no more Garcia Parra. You roll them killer plants, full of 2 levels horror, and we roll them thick, make them look like Takara. Man, I'm too much for these, and 3 much for these. The world is in my hands, and I keep my hands closed. I love my baby mamas, they get my highest honor. Gotta take care of them kids, man, I know you heard Obama. If I live on an island, Atlantic in my backyard, I just tell my pilot to land it in my backyard. Quarterback shotgun, you don't get any sack yards. Tap ball hard, breaking all the backboards. Pretty boy flawed, step up, I will crack yours. And even at the White House, we pull up at the back door.
We're on the frozen lake, which is a wonderful place to be. Are you in the boundaries? No.
1, 2, 3.
Perhaps a couple of bulls hiding or nearby, and you decide, I ask you, are you ready to hunt your friends for sport? Yes. Yes. I blow a whistle, I give you a strong count of 10, and you run like the wind. Yeah. What do we do? You eat your friends, and you bring them back.
Wasn't looking forward to heal the scar, but today I was riding on Lonely Boulevard, wishing all wasn't lost.
We go for life! If the owls are coming from the left, we run right! If they're coming forward, we run back! If they're coming backward, we run forward!
See them others, they try, but they ain't fly like it.
You wanna go?
All right.
Go!
Tonight belongs to you.
Razavi, go!
I know. Can you find food? But like, come here.
You know those straw bushes?
Like in the snow.
Does anybody have? Can you stack?
I can stack.
He got a plus 10.
You got plus 10 and 2.
Wait, can you stack?
I started it.
Tonight belongs to you. Tonight belongs to you.
What color?
And I'm so glad I found you. I'm so glad I found you.
We are the Lynx, the dirty, rotten Lynx, and we leave a trail of blood wherever we go. We take delight in making a fight, and we bang the bears on their head till they're dead. And we eat slurp, slurp, bear meat, and we like it too.
Amazing. Widji counselors, on a scale of 1 to 10, how was your week with the SPA 7th graders? And then it becomes aggressive waving. And then it becomes, on the count of 3, it becomes a dab on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's grab our stuff, get on this bus.
If the words you say are wrong, if you play with pride, she'll let you deep inside. There's a secret garden she has. She'll let you in her car to go driving around. She'll let you into the parts of herself that'll bring you down. She'll let you in her heart if you got a hammer and a vice, but into the secret garden, don't think twice. You've gone a million miles. How far'd you get? That place where you can't remember and you can't forget. She'll lead you down the path. There'll be tenderness in the air. She'll let you come just far enough so you know she's really there. tender as a sail.
Doing the monkey call up the stairs as a kid. I'm kidding.
She's got a secret garden where everything you want, where everything you